Mapping software makes complex data intuitive, giving decision makers a clearer view of what's happening on the ground. Interactive maps turn static data sets into interactive visuals that instantly reveal patterns and relationships. In this video, we'll cover what an interactive map is, why they're beneficial, and the tools available to make them. We'll also highlight how Felt leads with AI-native browser-based tools that empower teams to transform raw data into clear, actionable maps. First, what is an interactive map? An interactive map is a map you can explore, customize, and edit in real time. Unlike static images, interactive maps respond to user input, letting you filter and click through to reveal new layers of information. So what are some key features of interactive maps? First, you have clickable layers, which enables you to switch data sets on or off to compare details or isolate a single view. Zoom controls enable you to move seamlessly between a global overview to street-level detail. Tooltips let you access contextual details by hovering or clicking on elements, keeping maps uncluttered. Filters help you narrow down search results based on specific criteria, such as date or region to tailor data display. And overlays add visual layers like weather patterns or demographics for richer analysis. So what are some benefits of interactive maps? Static maps only provide a fixed snapshot. Once created, they rarely tell the whole story. Interactive maps offer something different, a dynamic, user-driven view that adapts as data evolves, making it easier to uncover insights and share information effectively. Here are some key benefits of interactive maps. Better storytelling and clarity. Instead of overwhelming viewers with the dense spreadsheets or static visuals, interactive maps turn data into a narrative. Feature-like filters, layers, and tooltips highlight relationships and patterns, helping users grasp complex information at a glance. Next is real-time collaboration. With static maps, every update requires redistributing a new version. Interactive maps change that by allowing live edits, comments, and styling updates in the same shared space. Teams can work together seamlessly without juggling outdated files. Interactive maps also enable more informed decision-making. By letting users zoom, filter, and combine data sets, interactive maps surface connections that might otherwise stay hidden. This flexibility supports better analysis, whether someone needs to spot high-level trends or drill into granular details. And finally, scalability. Large data sets can make static maps cluttered and unusable. Interactive maps scale gracefully, letting creators adjust visual styles and introduce new categories as information grows. The result is a tool that remains clear no matter how much data it contains. So how do you actually create an interactive map? First, you need to choose the right tool for your needs. The mapping software you choose shapes the entire process. Open source frameworks offer more control, but often require coding knowledge to customize exactly for your needs. Legacy platforms can be expensive and restrictive and have a hard time handling large data sets. Felt takes a different approach. Its AI-native, browser-based design lets you style data and create interactive maps quickly without technical hurdles. Once you've chosen your tool, the next step is to gather and clean your data. An interactive map is only as good as the information behind it. Find the data sets that you want to visualize and refine them. Sometimes that might mean filling in gaps, standardizing formats, and removing duplicates. Once your data is ready, upload it to your mapping tool. Felt's Upload Anything feature supports more than 30 geospatial formats, from basic spreadsheets and vector files to Snowflake databases. Drag and drop your files, and Felt's AI technology will automatically organize the layers so you can start exploring immediately. Design is a really big part of your map and also determines how well people are able to use it. With Felt Style Editor, you can customize backgrounds, adjust vector styles, and enhance raster imagery with hill shading and color ramps. You can also connect your map to dashboards with charts and drawing tools, all without writing a single line of code. The final step is distributing your interactive map. Felt lets users share maps via a link or by embedding it directly into a website or report. Teammates can jump in on their browser and leave notes, tag colleagues, or make live edits. No extra software is required. So what other tools can you use to make interactive maps? Choosing the right mapping tool depends on your team's skills, budget, and project goals. Some platforms prioritize ease of use, while others offer deep customization through code. A few platforms even combine both. Here's a breakdown of 4 widely used options. As we just saw, Felt is a collaborative AI native GIS platform that makes it simple to build and share spatial tools. It's easy to adopt without a coding background, yet powerful enough for experts to create advanced dynamic analytics. AI features shape every step, from uploading data sets to styling and layering. It all takes place in a browser-based, real-time workspace that strengthens teamwork and decision-making. Another option is Leaflet, a lightweight, open-source JavaScript library for simple interactive maps. Its modular structure and wide variety of plugins allow skilled users to extend functionality and design to suit project needs. Free and customizable, it's a good choice for those comfortable with coding. Another alternative is Google Maps. It provides APIs that let developers embed routes, locations, and geocoding into web and mobile apps. Its familiar interface improves usability, but scaling can become expensive and pricing models change frequently. For teams that need simple maps with simple location data, it's a reliable option. Mapbox is a flexible location platform for building custom maps, navigation systems, and search features. Developers can integrate highly tailored designs across web and mobile applications, making it popular for brands that want consistent visuals. The trade-off is complexity. Coding skills are required to unlock its full potential. Interactive maps turn static data into tools for planning and problem solving, and the right mapping platform makes all the difference. Felt is a collaborative, AI-native GIS solution built for modern teams, making spatial data simple to explore, share, and integrate. From startups to global enterprises, Felt empowers users to build maps that are intuitive and actionable. Trusted across 15 industries, Felt is transforming how businesses make decisions. Try Felt today and experience the future of interactive mapping.